Hello and welcome to your 2-minute tech briefing from Computer World. I'm your host, Arnold Davik, reporting from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Here are the top IT stories you need to know for Tuesday, February 24th. Up first, from Computer World, 37 million installations of certain Google Chrome extensions were found to be transmitting users' browsing histories. According to an independent security researcher, a total of 287 extensions sent data that closely matched the URLs visited during simulated browsing sessions. Among the extensions were VPN proxy tools, coupon finders, and other utilities. The researcher points out not every extension is malicious, but encourages users to review what they've installed. From CIO, IBM is tripling entry-level hiring despite AI gains. The hiring push not only includes hiring software developers who are considered by some to be obsolete, outperformed by advancing AI coding tools, but adding juniors in other roles that AI could capably handle, such as those in HR and in employee and customer support roles. Leaders say IBM is rewriting jobs so AI assists work, while people spend more time collaborating with teams and customers. And finally, Microsoft researchers say data can be stored for thousands of years in a specific material. They say a borosilicate glass plate, 120 millimeters square and just 2 millimeters thick, can store 4.8 terabytes of data across 301 layers with accelerated aging tests, indicating that the data would remain intact for at least 10,000 years. Microsoft says Project Silica can laser write 3D voxels in glass and read them with one camera and machine learning, but there's still no product roadmap. For more enterprise tech news, visit Computer World, CIO, Network World, and CSO Online. And don't forget to like and subscribe on the Tech Talk YouTube channel.